Let's take a look at how you can access navigation. Just tap Drive. Also ensure that the SD card with the map data is inserted in the SD card slot. Now you can choose where you want to go. You can key in addresses using the map format by first entering state, city, street name, and then name or number of the place you want to reach. Alternatively, you can select from previous destinations visited. Access from a list of your favorites. Search from pre-installed points of interest. You can also use voice-enabled search to choose a destination.
Please say a command.
Navigate to home.
Navigating to home address. Follow the road for 5 kilometers.
You can change the map orientation from bird's eye view to heading up to north up. You can also zoom in and zoom out by just a touch. You can select a destination on the map or tap an existing point of interest shown. Here you can also see information including name of street, distance, and expected time of travel. If you do not wish to hear voice guidance, you can mute it. Being sat-nav enabled, you can also put in geo coordinates to find your way. So, let the lady guide me to my journey.
Make a U-turn if possible. Your destination is located on a street with restricted access.